MetaFly has wings that enable it to fly just like winged animals do, so it can maneuver just like winged animals do. Technically, it's not a drone. It's an ornithopter. But really, it's more than that. It's a MetaFly. MetaFly flies using a unique method called biomimetics, denoting synthetic methods that mimic natural processes.
My cabin in the woods is where I'll be, establishing a plan for a tunnel to reality. So if the blinds are down, leave me a note, or tie it to the thread that unravels from my overcoats. It's 11 days since I saw the sun.
Kingdom Rush is a cooperative, campaign-driven tower defense puzzle game where you and your allies must work together to fend off the furious onslaught of the mysterious Time Mage. Command heroes and build towers to defend the realm by placing damaged tiles to attack your enemies and by deploying soldiers to hold back the ever-advancing horde.
It's amazing to see my two children grow up right in front of the camera. If you look at Little Feet, you'll see Nico and Lana, kind of living the longest day of their lives like children do. Whereas this is the next stage, it's about 5 years later. And it's about a stage of life where some of their poetry of their earlier years are kind of in conflict and coming into a collision course with the adult world. Both of their parents are struggling and going through difficult times, and these kids have to make it on their own. They run away and they try to retain their childhood and some of the poetry of their childhood. And I think they succeed in many ways in sweet things.